system is the foundation of government in any society. Understanding the basis concept of how power is distributed, decisions are made, and rules are enforced is crucial for engaging in the political discourse and participating in the political process. Democracy is a system that places a strong emphasis on individual rights and popular sovereignty. It has a profound effect on society by encouraging accountability, participation, and the defense of freedoms.
Politics in the Philippines are governed by a three-branch system of government. The country is a democracy with a president who is directly elected by the people and serves as both the head of state and the head of government. The president serves as the leader of the executive branch and is a powerful political figure. A president may only hold office for 1 6-year term.
Hello everyone, my name is Daisami Pingos. So naaday mi tadi karon sa Carmen para mag-conduct mi interview about political system. So let's go. Ano yung pangalan? Dave, ikaw?
Adun Cleopahe po.
Ikaw?
Si Alfie.
Ikaw?
Alarka po.
Narikoy ka ng question ka ng unsa inyo ma-istorya about sa political system? Unsa inyo ka ng idea?
So ano po, all we can say about the political system is ang government jud is na sila side na kanang mga corrupt, but then ang other side po is kanang about sa kunwari example sa katong COVID-19 napod sila nahatag na tabang po especially sa atong mga tao like naghatag sila relief goods, mga spare na sanina for mga tao na nasa mga bata nga nasa gawas, ingana po.
In addition po guys, sa corruption, napoy mga government nga naghatag sila og para sa mga tao nga naninahanglan pero wala to naabot.
Wow, fairness. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you, Dam. Thank you, sir. Salamat sa mga... Why understanding political system matters? Political system has a big influence of society because they promote public services, economic growth, social justice, individual rights, and governance. They define the distribution of power, the making of decisions, and the distribution of resources within a society.